If you are getting an error that says FFmpeg is not found when you run your Python script, that's because FFmpeg is not installed and it might be required by your libraries. So let's see how we can fix that. First, let's verify if FFmpeg is installed or not. Press your Windows key and type cmd. And in your command prompt, enter FFmpeg. And you will see that FFmpeg is not recognized. Now let's install this so that this will work. Close this and go to this URL. Click on download FFmpeg setup.exe. Download the installer for FFmpeg. Once you have downloaded, you might see this warning here. Just right click on these three dots here and click on keep. Click on show more and click on keep anyway. Now once this is done, click on open file and FFmpeg installer will open up. Just click on install and as you can see, FFmpeg is being installed. Once this is done, just click on finish and now open your command prompt again and enter FFmpeg --version. And this time, as you can see, you don't see an error, but you see some details of the installed FFmpeg version. Now you can close this and you can run your Python script and FFmpeg will work. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.